In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the navigation bar in Wix using the 2025 update. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's functionality or just give it a fresh look, customizing the navigation bar can make a significant difference in user experience. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, ensuring you're able to follow along with ease and achieve exactly the design you're envisioning. First, open your Wix editor in the classic mode. To begin editing your navigation bar, you'll need to locate the menu that you wish to modify. This might be a horizontal or vertical menu, depending on the template or layout you've been working with. Once you've identified it, go ahead and click on the menu to start making changes. After clicking on the menu, a pop-up should appear with various options. You'll want to select Manage Menu here. This is your control center for menu items where you can add new links, rename existing ones, reorder items, or even hide those that you don't currently need. The flexibility of this feature allows you to organize your menu in a way that best serves your website's navigation goals. Next, we'll address changing links. You'll notice a chain or link icon in the menu management area. Clicking this icon will open options to connect your menu items to different destinations. You can link them to specific pages on your site, anchors, external websites, or even downloadable files. This is particularly useful if you need to direct visitors to related content or external resources efficiently. From there, you may want to customize the design of your navigation bar to better match your website's aesthetic. Click on the Design button to explore the customizable elements available. Adjust the fonts to improve readability or update hover colors to align with your brand's style. You can also tweak borders for a more defined look or add animations to create a dynamic browsing experience. If you're planning on having your menu follow visitors as they scroll, consider making it sticky. Simply right-click and select Pin to Screen, choosing the top position to keep it in view. By following these simple steps in the Wix editor, you'll have a beautifully customized navigation bar that enhances both the visual appeal and functionality of your website. With time and a bit of experimentation, you can create a navigation system that complements your site's unique personality while offering a seamless experience for your visitors. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and adjust until you find something that feels just right. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in updating your Wix navigation bar effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to explore the additional resources in the description below. Happy designing!